Okay guys, so I just placed my chicken on the gas. It's right there boiling, and while that is boiling, I'm going to go ahead and quickly introduce the rest of the ingredients to you guys. Right here I have my already blended tomatoes. It is frozen. I just brought it out of the freezer, that's why it's looking like this. And right here I have my bay leaves, 3 bay leaves. I have here my Nigeria chili powder. You can do without chili pepper, you know that. I have here my thyme and curry powder, my tomato paste. No jollof rice without tomato paste. So here is my tomato paste, and right here is my seasoning cubes. You know, you guys, I always use Maggi seasoning. And right here is my rice. And here is my cooking oil. It's sunflower oil. And right here I have my already diced onion. What else again? My salt right here. And while the chicken is boiling, I'm going to go ahead and start frying the tomato sauce for the jollof rice. By the time I'm done frying the tomato sauce, the chicken will have done at that moment, so we can use the chicken stock as the base or whatever. So that is it. Okay guys, so I just fried the onion a little bit, and at this stage I'm going to be adding my tomato paste. And here comes my tomato paste. Okay, now so as I just added the tomato paste, and I'm going to let this fry very well, if possible for 3 to 5 minutes, so that we don't have the sour taste of the tomato, you understand. So I'll let it fry very well before I'll be adding the blended fresh tomatoes. Okay guys, this has been frying for more than 3 minutes now. You guys, this pot is kind of the perfect pot for Nigerian smoky jollof rice, because it burns so. Okay guys, I just added the blended tomato, and it's still frozen. So what I'm going to do is I'll just stir the part that I can stir, and then I'll cover it and let this particular one melt down. At this stage, all the frozen tomatoes has melted already, so I'm going to go ahead and add the seasoning. Then I'll continue to fry my tomato. Cover it and let the tomato cook. So at this stage, you guys, I'll be adding my rice. This is my rice. I've already washed it with hot water, so I'll be adding it at this stage. Okay guys, so I just added the chicken stock and I'm going to cover it and leave it on a low heat so that the rice can cook perfectly. So I'm going to be adding the bay leaves, which I forgot already. So you guys, the rice has done, my jollof rice has done cooking. I just turn off the heat and I'll cover it for later to be served. Okay you guys, so my jollof rice is ready. I just serve it. Here is it. This is the chicken that I made, and this is moi moi. I made this earlier this morning. Actually, I don't get to film that because I actually filmed 2 videos today. This is the second one, and the moi moi is not included. So I just served my jollof rice with moi moi and the chicken, the roasted chicken. And this is going to be the end of this video. If you really like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till the next time, stay blessed and be safe.